It's all about small naked creatures. It's all about the way they behave. It's all about them, swerving them, those who ain't. And they are those little ones who we call ducks. Some bugs and some house bugs, some don't make a sound. Some whine, some cry, but we can't define. So they could be rather interesting pets. They may bring company to the old and the young. No matter the age, they do great. They're loyal, they're smart, but they are